Hello guys, welcome to Medical Maniac. So today let's talk about anxiety disorders, its types and causes and treatment. So what is an anxiety disorder? Anxiety disorders are one of the most prevalent types of psychotic disorders. An individual with anxiety disorders experiences excess anxiety, fear or worry, causing them to avoid situations that might precipitate the anxiety. Everyone feels anxious in response to specific events, but individuals with an anxiety disorder have excessive and unrealistic feelings that interfere with their lives in their relationships, schools, and work performances. So, what are the types of anxiety disorders? Generalized anxiety disorder. Excessive anxiety and worry about several events or activities occurring for more days than not over at least 6 months with fatigue or poor concentration is called generalized anxiety disorder. Specific phobia also comes under anxiety disorders. Some people have persistent fear or aversion to certain things or situations. For example, animals, heights, certain sounds. Post-traumatic stress disorder also comes under anxiety disorders. Flashbacks, persistent frightening thoughts and memories of anger or irritability in response to terrifying experiences in which physical harm occurred or was threatened, like rape, child abuse, accident, war, natural disaster. These will come under post-traumatic stress disorder. Social anxiety disorder. Exposure to social or performance situations provoked anxiety response to people. They may express this in the form of palpitations, tremors, sweating, GI discomfort like gastrointestinal discomfort, diarrhea, blushing or confusion. This is social anxiety disorder. Obsessive compulsive disorder also comes under anxiety disorders. Obsessions, persistent thoughts, ideas, impulses or images that are intrusive and inappropriate and that causes marked anxiety or distress. Individuals with obsessions usually attempt to ignore or surpass such thoughts or impulses or to counteract them with other thoughts and actions. Compulsions. What are compulsions? They are repetitive behaviors such as hand washing, ordering or checking, or mental acts like praying, counting and repeating words that occur in response to an obsession or in a ritualistic way. Panic disorder. Presence of recurrent and unexpected attacks followed by at least 1 month of persistent concern about having additional attacks. Worry about the implications of the attack or its consequences. This will comes under panic disorder. Statistics. It is the most prevalent type of disorder among all mental illness. It is seen that specific phobias are the most prevalent types of anxiety disorders. Most of these disorders are seen in women rather than in men. So what are the causes of anxiety disorders? It may be because of the combination of a complex interplay between genetic, biological and developmental and other factors such as socio-economic and professional stress. It may also be because of any specific event such as death of loved ones, accidents, physical or sexual abuse. The cognitive thinking ability of a person as well as the situations of socialization also have a major role in this. The biological basis suggests that the amygdala, a structure deep within the brain, serves as a communication hub that signals the presence of a threat and triggers a fear response or anxiety. It also stores emotional memories and may play a role in the development of anxiety disorders. The children of adults with anxiety disorders are at much greater risk to get this disorder. Treatment. Like any other health problem, it also requires proper medication and self-care. So how does medication treat anxiety disorders? Medications can't cure an anxiety disorder, but they can improve symptoms and help you function better. Medications for anxiety disorder often include anti-anxiety medications such as benzodiazepines. This may decrease your anxiety, panic and worry. They work quickly, but you can build up a tolerance for them. Antidepressants. These can also help with anxiety disorders. They tweak how your brain uses certain chemicals to improve your mood and reduce stress. Antidepressants may take some time to work, so be patient. Beta blockers. Beta blockers, usually used for high blood pressure, can help reduce some of the physical symptoms of anxiety disorders. They can relieve rapid heartbeat, shaking, and trembling. So, how does psychotherapy treat anxiety disorders? Psychotherapy or counseling helps you deal with your emotional response to the illness. A mental health provider talks through strategies to help you better understand and manage the disorder. The approaches of psychotherapy include cognitive behavioral therapy. We call it as CBT. CBT is the most common type of psychotherapy used with anxiety disorders. CBT for anxiety teaches you to recognize thought patterns and behaviors that lead to troublesome feelings. You then work on changing them. Number 2, you can also use exposure therapy. It focuses on dealing with the fears behind the anxiety disorder. It helps you engage with activities or situations you may have been avoiding. Your provider may also use relaxation exercises and imagery with exposure therapy. If given proper treatment and care, you can get over your anxiety disorder problems. Don't hesitate to ask for help or seek out clinical support. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Let's meet on another video of Medical Maniac. Thank you. Bye.